In this lesson, we're going to modify our game so that levels are loaded from external files. I've added 3 files for 3 different levels in the folder assets data. So you see now that we have 3 different levels. They look pretty much the same but with different colors of the enemies. It's really up to you to make fun levels if you want. So I'm going to start by preloading these asset files, which are text files. So we're going to load level data, this.load.text, and then level 1, the location is assets data level 1.json, and we're going to duplicate that for level 2 and for level 3. So now we're loading now all of our external levels. And in our method load level, instead of having this hard-coded JSON file, JSON data, instead of having this, we're going to get rid of this stuff. We're going to get rid of that. Instead of using this, we will actually parse the JSON files, the one that corresponds to our current level. This.game.cache.getText of level plus our current level. So if it's level 1, it will be level 1, and so forth. So just that simple. And now I should be loading the data from the external file, which starts the same as what we had because we had copied it from there. But see that now we have more variety of enemies, and and you have the actual level, which is a very simple one. Feel free to modify it to make it better. Cool. So now we're loading our levels from external files, and I'm just trying to survive long enough to beat this level to show you that then we'll move on to the next level, and it works all as expected. So we're now on level 2. You could show a text that says level 2, welcome to level 2. And now we're on level 2, and so forth. Okay, so to summarize, all we did was create external JSON files with level data, load these files from our preload method, and then access them in our load data method using JSON parse. Since we're keeping track of the current level and all the files are named level, number of level, we can easily just get the current one. We're not loading all of them. We're not parsing all of them. We're just parsing the one that interests us, and then we process it. So as you can see, it was easy to do it this way, to build a small level, hard-coded manually, then work with it, and then you can add it as external files because you take complexity, you make it step by step instead of making something too complex right away, and then you're not sure even if the file is loaded or not, or if the algorithm is wrong. Whereas in this case, we can focus on one thing at a time.